Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to Model Maths Nagarasa YouTube channel. Today in this class, we are going to learn Intermediate First Year Mathematics 1A 10th chapter, means last chapter, Properties of Triangles. From this chapter, one 7 marks question and one 4 marks question, totally 11 marks from this chapter. Okay, so what do you mean by what is this in this chapter? Properties of triangles, what we can learn, so which is also related to trigonometry. So even it is related to trigonometry also, it is also a easy and we can ac- accept we can expect more important questions from this chapter, long question and 4 marks. Okay, so dependent triangles, I think you know already what is a triangle. Suppose I'm taking a triangle, vertex capital A, capital B, capital C. Okay now? Some information is already been known, just I am remembering, and those is useful in this chapter. See, vertex capital A, vertex capital B, vertex capital C. Opposite to capital A vertex is small a. That means the distance BC is taken as small a. So BC is equal to small a. Similarly, the distance AC can be taken as small b. Similarly, small c. See, what do you mean by perimeter of this triangle? Yes, perimeter means sum of the all sides. Means BC plus A plus AB. That means small a plus small b plus small c. So that is perimeter. If you take a half of that perimeter, that is called semi-perimeter. That is S is called A plus B plus C by 2. What is one formula? This already we know in 10th class. We used that formula in coordinate geometry, finding area of triangle, Heron's formula in that situation. Okay, so in this triangle, we can say that area of triangle is taken as delta. So delta equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. We called as Heron's formula in 10th class. That is only I have written here. Of course, we have many formulas to find area of triangle. Those are half into base into height. Okay. Similarly, we have many several formulas. Even in this chapter, I just recall and I will tell you how to use the formulas in this chapter also. First of all, learn few formulas. Next, if you draw a circle in this triangle, that is called incircle, and the radius of incircle is taken as small r. What is the radius of incircle? Small r. So now let us see, the area is denoted by delta, semi-perimeter is denoted by S. S means semi-perimeter, delta means area of triangle, small r means radius of incircle. Okay, now let us see the relation among small r and delta and S is small r equal delta by S. Okay, now you must remember these formulas. What is small r? Is equal delta by S. Small r equal delta by S. And moreover, if you extended these sides and if you draw another circle in this, okay, this is taken as the radius is small r1. Now small r1 can be taken as r1 equal to delta by S minus a. Delta by S minus a. Similarly, delta r2 is equal, yes, very good, delta by S minus b. For second, draw a circle. Okay, no need to draw. Just roughly I am saying, but these are very important formulas. Tell me what is the third one? R3 is equal delta by S minus C. Delta by S minus C. So note these formulas. Small s is equal a plus b plus c by 2. Delta equal root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. And small r equal delta by s. R1 equal delta by s minus a. R2 is equal delta by s minus b. R3 is equal delta by s minus c. Now, based on this R1, R2, R3, we can write area of triangle formula also. That is delta square equal R into R1 into R2 into R3. Or we can say delta equal root of R into R1 into R2 into R3. So this is one more area of triangle delta. When R values R1, R2, R3 are known, then we can find delta value. If you know S and ABC, we can find the area of triangle by using this Heron's formula. Next, one more formula, that is relation between small r and R1, R2, R3 is that 1 by R equal 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, whenever you know R1, R2, R3 values, using those values, we can find the small r value with this help of this formula. Okay, note down one by one as it is linked. Is it clear? Next, same triangle and circumcircle if you draw circumcircle of any triangle. There is no rule for triangle, even it is maybe equilateral or it may be scalar, it is isosceles, it is a right angle. So condition is not mentioned, just it is a triangle. So the radius of circumcircle is capital R. Then how can we find area? By using this small a, small b, small c, capital R. So that is also we have formula delta equal small a b c by 4 capital R. What is formula? Small a b c by 4 capital R. So listen these formulas, read these formulas, remember these formulas. We can solve the important 7 marks questions very easily. Okay. So next two and last 4 formulas I would like to give. These formulas help for first 3 7 marks questions. Those are very important questions. Then the second stage formulas, small r in terms of trigonometry, small r2, small r3. Okay, it involves trigonometric functions and which is called 4r sine capital A by 2, sine capital B by 2, sine capital C by 2. Next, for R1 also same as usually 4r sine A by 2. Only R1, the first one is sine, remaining would be cos. So cos B by 2, cos C by 2. And similarly for R2, the R2 means second one is sine, that is sine B by 2, and remaining both will be cos. So cos A by 2, cos C by 2, cos C by 2. Next small r3. So 4r into, for r3 third one is sine, then and remaining are cos. Very good. Cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into sine C by 2. Okay. These formulas very helpful to solve the problem 7 marks questions. Okay. Please note down one by one and by hand the formulas. Okay. Let me enter into the 7 marks questions. And more we have some formulas. Those can be taught in before 4 marks questions. Okay. So with the help of these formulas we can solve 7 marks questions, almost all 7 marks questions. Let me see. Okay, very good. Enter into the 7 marks questions. Okay. So the first 7 marks question. So very important 7 marks question and very easy 7 marks question, that is keeping formulas as easily. It may help to solve the problems. The first one. So before going to that, please subscribe my channel. If you do not subscribe, please subscribe immediately and click bell button. Then you can get all my videos as a notifications. It is easy to watch what my next class. So next class will be the part 2 of this properties of triangle. Okay, first question is, if A equal to 13, if small a equal to 13, small b equal to 14, small c is equal to 15, then show that capital R equal to 65 by 8, 65 by 8, and small r equal to 4, and r1 equal to small r1 equal to 21 by 2, and r3 is equal r2 sorry r2 small r2 is equal to 12, r3 equal to 40. Okay, this is the 7 marks. Very important, and similarly very easy. Okay, solution. See, which are given, a and b and c values are given, just small a, small b, small c values are given. So write down immediately. Given that small a equal to 13, small b equal to 14, small c is equal to 15. And what we have to prove? We should prove that what is small r value, small r means r2, r3, and capital R values we should prove. Small r means what? Generally delta by s, and r2 means r1 is delta by s minus a. So to prove r value, we should know what is delta, what is s. How can you find the delta and s value? Yes, very good. We have a formula of s is a plus b plus c by 2. Am I right? S means a plus b plus c by 2. So we know that s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2 means 13 plus b means 14 plus c means 15 by 2, not by 3, by 2. S means semi perimeter. Semi means half of the perimeter. Half means by 2. That's it. Now how much it is? 13 plus 14, 27 plus 15. How much? 42. So 42 by 2 is equal 21. Am I right? So S is equal 21. What is S value? We got it 21. Next, we can find the area of triangle delta. So after getting delta, we can find all, we can show R's, R1, R, everything. So what is delta formula? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So which is equal to root of S means what? 21 into S minus A. S means 21, minus means minus, A means 13. Very good. Into similarly S means again 21 minus B means 14 into S means 21, C means 15. Got it. So which is equal to root of 21 into 21 minus 13 how much? 8 into 21 minus 14 how much? 7 into 21 minus 15 how much? 6. Now we should find the root of 21 into 8 into 7 into 6. If you multiply, it becomes very lengthy. So other than multiplying, we can simply find by writing factors. 21 can be written as 7 into 3. Okay. 8 I am writing some 2 into 2 into 2. And 7 as it is written. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Am I right? Okay. I just wrote the prime factors of each and every number. 21, 7 into 3. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. 7 means 7. 6 means 2 into 3. Now, see which two numbers are said? 7, 7. 2 times it is repeated. That's why we can write only 1, 7 into. And 3 also repeated 2 times. Yes, 1, 3 we can write. And for 2 2's we can write 1, 2. And remaining 1, 2 2's we can write 1 more 2. Okay. So that will be delta value. Can I remove this? Okay, thank you. Is it okay? Very simple problem. So we get delta is equal how much? 7 3 ja 21, 21 2 ja 42, 42 2 ja 84. So finally we got delta value also. Okay. By using small a, small b, small c, we just find semi perimeter, that is 21, and by using s and small a, small b, small c, we found area of triangle, that is Heron's formula, root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Substitute and simplify, delta value is 84. Okay. Why we are finding these all values? Because of small r means delta by s, small r1 means delta by s minus a. Okay, that's why what is delta, what is s, that we find. Now, first one, small r equal to 4. So first for r equal to what is formula? Delta by s. So which is called delta means 84 by s means what is s? 21. So 21 1 is 21 4 is equal to 4. So that implies r equal to 4. Hence proved one value very simply. For second value r1, what is r1 formula? Delta by s minus a. So delta means what? 84 by s means 21 minus a means 13. So which is equal to 84 by 21 minus 13 how much? 8. Is it 8? Yeah. Now can we cancel? In 4 table 4 2 ja 4 2 ja 4 1 ja. This is called 21 by 2. So that implies r1 value got it as 21 by 2. Got it? Second one? Second one also proved. Very simple problem. So same type of question will be asked in the exam. So this is very most important question. Next, similarly, to show R2 value, first of all, what is R2 means what? Delta by s minus b. Delta means what? 84. By s means 21. Minus means minus. B means what? B means 14. So which is equal to 84 by 21 minus 14 how much? 7. Now 7 1 ja 7 1 ja 7 2 ja is equal 12. So that implies R2 value also got it as 12. Got it? R2 also hence proved. Next, R3. R3 means what? Delta by s minus c. Very good. 84 by s means 21. Minus means minus. C means 15. So which is equal to 84 by 21 minus 15 is 6. 6 1 ja 6. 6 4 ja 24 is equal to 14. Then R3 value also proved, that is 14. Got it? One by one we are proving. Finally, we should prove what is capital R. Okay, what is capital R? Which formula we can use that should involves capital R? That is delta formula. That is delta equals small a b c by 4r. You know, using this formula we can find delta value how much? 84. 84 is equal a into b into c. Means what? 13 into 14 into 15 by 4 into r. By solving this, we can get r value. Is anything to answer? See, capital R I am bringing here side. It is in denominator, so it goes to numerator. Then capital R equal. So 13 into 14 into 15. Keep it as it is. 13 into 14 into 15. Next, 84 goes to denominator. Already 4 is there. 4 into 84. Now do cancellation. In which table? 2 2 ja, 2 7 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. Is anything to answer? No. So therefore R equal, yeah, 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja. Very good. Now 13 into 5, 65. 2 into 4, 8. Got it? What we have to prove? Capital R equals 65 by 8. Hence prove all values. Therefore capital R value proved, small r value proved, small r1 proved, small r2 proved, small r3 proved. This is the answer, solution. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, please watch again. Then easily you can understand. This is very most important question for 7 marks. See once. Now see the second problem. Okay, quietly opposite to first problem almost all, but same formulas we can use in this form, in this problem. If small r1 equal to 8, r2 is equal to 12, r3 is equal to 24, then find small a, small b, small c. Listen carefully. I will give you third question for your practice or homework, whatever you feel. Solution. So which are given? Given that small r1 value 8, r2 value 12 and r3 value 24. Okay, these three are given. We should find small a, small b, small c. To find the a, b, c, we have formula delta is equal to r by s, delta 1, sorry, small r equal delta by s, r1 equal delta by s minus a. Okay, r1 equal delta by s minus a. So here, if you find a value, you should know what is r1, what is s, what is delta. r1 is there, S can we find? No. To find S value, we should find small r value. We should find small r value. By using small r value, we can find delta by S formula. We can find S also. And what is delta? What is R? See, if you know R1, R2, R3, we can find R value by using 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R2. Next to third question also same question, same process we should do. You will get. So which is equal to 1 by, what is R1? 8. 1 by, what is R2? 12. 1 by R3? 24. So what is the LCM? 24, 12, 8. All comes in 24 is the LCM because of in 8 table 24 comes, in 12 table also 24 comes, in 24 table also 24 comes. So 24 is the LCM directly we can take. In 8 table when it comes in 3 times, so 3 into 1 3, then plus in 12 table it comes in 2 times, so 2 into 1 2, in 24 table 1 times 1 into 1 1. So 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 by 24, that is 6 1 ja 6 4 ja 1 by 4. So 1 by R equal to 1 by 4. That implies R equal to what? 4. Okay. We find it one value. Next, we know small r value, R1, R2, R3 value. So by using this, we can find a delta. That is delta formula is small r into R1 into R2 into R3. Am I right? So which is called small r means what? 4 into R1 means 8 into R2 means 12 into R3 means 20. So this is also like same process. Just to find the factorization. 4 I am writing as it is. 8 can be written as 4 into 2, and 12 we can write 2 into 6. 2 6 is 12. 24 I can write 4 6 is 24. Okay, 4 6 is 24 means 2 into 2 into 12. Okay. So my conveniently 4 6 ja. So 2 into 2 into 6. Okay. Check it. 4 means 4. 8 means 4 into 2. 12 means 2 into 6. 24 means 2 into 2 into 6. Now for 2 4s 1 4 we can write. For 2 2s 1 2 we can write. For 2 6 1 6 we can write. For 2 2s 1 2 we can write. So now 4 2 is 8. 8 6 is 48. 48 2 is 96. So delta value also we got it. That is 96. Okay. Check it. Yes. Now what is first formula? Small r equal delta by S. Okay. Small r equal delta by S. What is small r? Small 4 is equal to what is delta? 96 by S. What is S? S value we don't know. Write as it is. S bring left side. If it comes here, S is equal 96 by 4. Now 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, 4 ja. So what is S value? 24. Yes, we got all values. Delta value got it, S value got it, and R value got it. Now we can prove one by one. So first one. For first proving, what is R1 formula? Delta by S minus A. Now substitute. R1 means what? R1 means 8. So 8 equal. Delta means what? Delta means 96. 96 by S means what? 24. So 24 minus A. So now do cross multiplication. 1 into 96. 96 is equal 8 into 24 minus A. See 8 1 ja 8. Okay. 1 6 16. 8 2 ja. So we get 12 equal 24 minus A. So minus A bring left side becomes A equal 24 as it is, plus 12 send right side becomes minus 12. So A equal to 12. We find A value. Next, second formula using delta R2 equal to delta by S minus B. And similarly, third formula R3 equal delta by S minus C. So by using simplifying these formulas, we can find B and C values. What is R2 value? 12. So 12 equals delta. What is delta value? 96. 96 by S means 24. So 24 minus b by 1. Do cross multiplication. 1 into 96. 96 is equal 12 into 24 minus b. See 12 1 ja 12 8 ja 96. So the remaining is 8 equal 24 minus b. Minus b bring left side, then b equal 24. 8 send right side becomes minus 8. Then b equal 24 minus 8 how much? 16. What did b value also? Similarly, simplify R3 equal delta by s minus c. R3 means what? Given as 24 is equal delta means what? 96 by s means 24 minus c. Okay, is it visible? Now see it. Okay, clear. So do cross multiplication. 1 into 96. 96 is equal 24 into 24 minus c. 24 1 ja 24 4 ja. So 4 equal 24 minus c. So minus c bring left side, then c equal 24 minus 4, then c equal 20. So what are the ABC values? Therefore a equal to 12, comma b equal to 16, comma c equal to 20. So this is the answer. Okay, I think very slowly I am telling you because of these are very most important questions. Okay, if any doubt you can watch it again. So take a screenshot and make a notes. Otherwise you can write the notes by listening class also. Okay, shall we go to third question? Any doubt? Okay, very good. Okay, next to third question. Same type of question. If R1 is 2 and R2 is 3 and R3 is 6 and small r also given luckily that is 1, then not find, then show that a equal to 3, b equal to 4, c equal to 5. So this is the question, third question. How can we solve? Already R1, R2, R3 and R9 also given. So no need to this concept. So this is no need. So how can we do? Just write, given that small r1 is 2, r2 is 3, r3 is 6, r is 1. So directly find small delta value, capital delta value. You will get answer 6 you will get. Delta equal to 6 answer. Next by using small r equal delta by s, you can find small s value. You can find small s value also. Okay. Do you want answer? Small s value will be 6. You get s value is 6. Then take 3 conditions, substitute in these 3 conditions and find out small a, small b, small c value. Definitely we will get 3, 4, 5. Is it clear? Now let us go to fourth question. So in this fourth question I will tell you. So look like fifth question I will give you for your practice. So these 3 questions based on delta equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, like those formulas used. So now we are going to use small r equal to 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 formulas we use. Okay. Fourth question. Show that small r plus small r3 plus small r1 minus r2 is equal 4 into capital R cos capital B. 4 into capital R cos capital B. So same type of questions, 3 questions are there. This I will tell you, next I will give you for practice, and then next I will tell you again. So taking LHS, in the LHS terms R plus R3 plus R1 minus R2. So now let us simplify first R plus R3 and then simplify R1 minus R2. So first of all I am going to simplify what is small r plus R2. You can, these are a lengthy steps. That's why I am simplifying 2 and 2. R means what? 4 capital R sin capital A by 2 sin capital B by 2 sin capital C by 2 and plus R3 means what? Very good. 4r. Last one is sin. So first do cos. So cos a by 2, cos b by 2, and sin c by 2. So now tell me which is common in both terms. 4r is common, and in both terms sin c by 2, sin c by 2 is common. So take out 4r sin c by 2 as common. Then the remaining terms are sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 in plus cos b by 2 into sin a by 2 sin b by 2 plus cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. Okay, so this is now which is called 4r sin c by 2. Now see, observe in the trigonometric storing for given formulas cos a plus cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b formula is cos of a minus b. Am I right? That means cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. Okay, that's it. R plus R2 means this. Next, similarly, what is R1 minus R2? R1 minus R2 is called, R1 means what? 4R sin a by 2, then remaining cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. Minus means minus R2 means what? 4 capital R. R2 means second is sin. So then remaining cos a by 2 and sin b by 2 and cos c by 2. Okay, easy to remember. R1 means first one is sin, remaining cos. R2 means the second one is sin, remaining cos. Similarly for R3 also we can do the same. What is common? 4R common. A by 2 no, B by 2 no, cos c by 2 common. Yes. So 4R cos c by 2 take out common. Then what are the remaining? Yes, sin a by 2 into cos b by 2 minus cos a by 2 into sin b by 2 is remaining. So now which is in the form of which formula? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b formula. Second formula. What is formula? Trigonometry. Okay na, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is sin of a minus b. So sin of a by 2 minus b by 2. Okay, here we found what is r plus r3, here we found r1 minus r2. First one, second one, got it. Now in this LHS I substitute this one and this one. So then simplify, we get answer immediately. So now taking LHS, that is r plus r3 and plus r1 minus r2. What is r plus r3? Which is equal 4r sin c by 2 into sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Directly I am writing a by 2 minus b by 2 means directly a minus b by 2. And plus what is r1 minus r2? See in the bottom, that is 4 capital R cos c by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. Am I right? A by 2 minus b by 2 means, okay, if you are interested, write one more step, no problem. 4r into cos c by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. That's it. Similarly, after that also. Now what is common in both? 4r is common. So take out 4r common. Then we can write sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. So now tell me which formula we can apply. Again in the form of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. What is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b? For your convenience I am writing here. So the formula of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is equal sin of a plus b. Am I right? Which is called sin of a plus b. So is equal to 4r as it is into sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is equal to sin of a plus b. A means what? C by 2 plus b means what? A minus b by 2. Okay? Which is called 4r into sin of 2 is same c plus a minus b. C plus a minus b. See, Here A and B and C, capital A, capital B, capital C are the vertices of a triangle. Okay, in the starting introduction I told you. So if vertices of a triangle, then what about the sum of the angles in a triangle? Yes, very good. A plus B plus C is equal 180. Then A plus C becomes what? Or C plus A becomes what? 180 minus B. So I'm going to substitute C plus A means what? 180 minus B. So which is equal 4R into sin of 180 minus B and minus B as it is and by 2. So which is equal 4R sin of 180 by 2 means what? 180 by 2. Okay, directly I'm writing minus B 2B by 2. So 180 by 2 means 90. 2 to cancel. So which is equal 4R sin of 90 minus B. Okay, in the last step we can write the answer 4R sin of 90 minus B. Sin of 90 minus theta means what? Cos theta. Very good. So which is equal 4R sin of 90 minus B cos B. So got it RHS? By simplifying LHS we got it RHS. Hence proved. Okay, this is the answer. See, first take first two terms R plus R3. I simplified by substituting what is R, what is R3 and take common and used cos A cos B plus sin A sin B formula, that is cos of A minus B. And take second two terms and simplify same as well. And those two substitute in LHS and simplified we got the answer. Is it clear? Next, similarly for fifth question. Same type of question. Show that R plus R1 plus R2 R2 minus R3 is equal 4R cos C. So this problem, how can we do? First take R plus R1 value like this and simplify, and R2 minus R3 like this, simplify, and substitute in this like that and simplify. You will get 4R cos. Same problem, same angle. You will get 4R sin of some minus C by 2 you get. So A plus B minus C by 2 you get. A plus B means 180 minus C, 180 minus C minus C, 180 by 2 minus 2C by 2. Same steps. Instead of B you get C. Okay. Shall we go to next problem? Okay. Next, sixth problem. Okay. After sixth problem, I will stop this class. So, in the next part, remaining questions will be started. We have hardly 14 long questions in this chapter, and 4 marks questions also there in this chapter. So, after completion of 7 marks, I will start 4 marks question. Okay, sixth one. Show that R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R equal 4 capital R. Okay, do it right, same as well. If you do not get second problem, you just watch sixth problem, because of 4, 5, 6 are same type of questions. Okay, after listening 4 and 6, then you can do fifth also. Taking what is R1 plus R2 first of all. R1 means what? 4R into sin A by 2, then cos B by 2, cos C by 2, and plus R2 means what? 4R cos A by 2, sin B by 2, cos C by 2. So now what is common in both? 4R is common, and which is common? Yes, very good. Cos C by 2 is common. So 4R cos C by 2 take out common. Then remaining is sin A by 2 into cos B by 2 plus cos A by 2 into sin B by 2. So which is equal 4R cos C by 2. This is the common. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So which is equal sin of A plus B. Am I right? Sin of A plus B directly. So one more step I am going to write, that is 4R into cos C by 2 into sin of a plus b by 2. So next to take remaining two R3 minus R. R3 means R, 4R cos a by 2 cos b by 2 and sin c by 2, and minus means minus small r. Small r means what? 4R sin a by 2. All are sin terms. Sin b by 2 sin c by 2. So what is common in both? 4R is common and sin c by 2 is common. 4R sin c by 2 take out common. Then remaining is cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 minus here sin c by 2 take out common. Remaining sin. So sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. Close. Now which is equal 4R sin c by 2 into now cos a cos b minus sin a sin b formula. Cos of a plus b, very good. So cos a by 2 plus b by 2. So which is equal 4R into sin c by 2 into cos of a plus b by 2. Okay. In the left hand term, two ways simplified. So now taking LHS completely. What is LHS? R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R. So now tell me what is R1 plus R? That is 4R cos c by 2 into sin of a plus b by 2 and plus R3 minus R means what? R3 minus R means 4R sin c by 2 into cos of a plus b by 2. Now see what is common in again? Again 4R is common. Am I right? Only 4R is common. Then the terms are, first I am writing sin, then after write I cos, no problem. Sin of a plus b by 2 into cos b by 2 and plus, here also first I write cos, then after write sin. Okay, cos of a plus b by 2 into sin c by 2. Yes, now tell me which formula we can apply? Which formula? Yes, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b formula. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b formula applied. That is sin of a plus b. Okay, very good. So which is equal to 4R into sin of a plus b. A means what? A plus b by 2. B means what? C by 2. That's it. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So now which is equal to 4R into sin of, okay, denominator rule is same. The numerator we can write a plus b plus c. So which is equal to 4R into sin of a plus b plus c means what? Near sum of angles near triangle is 180 degrees. So a plus b plus c can be taken as 180. 2 1 ja 290 ja. So which is called 4R sin 90. What is sin 90 value? Very good, 1. So 4R into 1 means 4R. So is equal RHS. LHS equal RHS and screw. Okay. See once again. See the steps one by one. So these are the okay, 6 long questions we completed. These 6 are very most important. Among the 6, first 3 are most important. Okay, in the next part 2, next part 3 also we can see the 7 marks questions. What are the 7 marks questions? For that, please watch next video. And thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for giving good comments. So please, many of you not subscribed till now, please subscribe and click bell button. Thank you.